We are in the process of upgrading our couches from the Ektorp Ikea to the Uppland Ikea. And as you probably know just from watching this video or for searching it, that Ikea has discontinued that sofa, and this is the sofa that replaces it. And I just wanted to do a quick video and show the differences. So as you can see, the Ektorp is just a little bit smaller, okay? And then as compared right there, it's deeper. The new one, the Uppland, is deeper on your legs. So if you just kind of look at that, see, we'll let her sit down. Okay. So there she is on the new Uppland. Okay. And now, there she is on the Ektorp. All right, it's really very comfortable, the new one. Of course, the old one is comfortable too. They're both great. But the new one is just bigger. It's just got a little more, just a tad bit taller, you know, a bit wider. And you can see you can't flip the cushions anymore. But the plus side of it is it was so easy putting those cushions into those covers. You know, normally you just have to fight with them, but it was just super easy since they unzip all the way around, or at least the bottom parts do. The top still is about the same as what the Ektorp was. So anyway, and it just seems like they've just improved it, really. They've just improved it a lot. So anyway, these Ektorp that we had have lasted 7 seasons, 7 years in a vacation rental that we have here in Panama City Beach. And so this is a lot of people in and out on these things, and we wash them about once a month or so. So we're anxious to see how the Upplands work out. But anyway, if you're interested in our vacation rental, we are at vrbo.com/807856. That's where we are on the internet, where you can look at the house and rent it out. But anyway, you know, just kind of a side-by-side comparison where you can see the difference in those. Thank you for watching.